Hey everybody, how you doing? Dirt street stock racing at Lanier Speedway in Georgia, 0.375 mile dirt track. I'm on pole position today in the number 2 Texaco Haviland Camaro. How did I get on pole? Well, that's a secret during week 13. If you're watching this video, go find my iRacing playlist and look for the video that shows you how to qualify on week 13. Okay, so on pole position in the number 2 car. I kind of suck at dirt. My I rating on dirt is dirt oval is like 788. This is the bottom seed of 9 seeds for this race slot. Usually on dirt here you go immediately after the pace car jumps off the track, but I'm going to hold these guys up just a little bit and see if I can't catch them sleeping. I'm going to run the high side. I'm not going to run the low and the slick. I'm not that good. So I'm just going to immediately go to the high side. I'll probably lose a couple positions, but that's okay. A podium finish today would be great for me. Here we go. Pace truck off, wait a little bit, they go, I go. I get a little squirrely coming down the front straight, send it off into turn 1, in the middle. You can see the slick is forming already. Now I'm going to move out to the high side. If you're a dirt master, you can stay on the inside on that slick. That is the fast and short way around. I'm not that good. I'm going right to the high side. Some of these guys will probably get me on the low side, but you know what? I'm just going to run a good clean race and see what happens here. I do have 3 street stock dirt car wins under my belt. They all came in week 13, 1 at Lernerville and 2 here at Lanier. All right, there's the one car doing the inside. Ooh, he wiggles, and I kind of come into him a little bit. We bump, I hit the wall just gently. But anyway, he took the inside. He's manipulating throttle and working the steering hard. I'm just cruising out here on the cushion. Now, you got to be careful up here on the cushion, because if you get into that loose stuff, that can suck you right into the wall like it's going to try to do me here right now. I got to ease out of the throttle, so I miss that wall coming down the straight. One is going to make the pass, and he has taken the lead. I'm back to second place. Okay, no problem. I'm running the high side all race long. One kind of blinks out there, and that kind of throws me off, and then I get up into that loose stuff, and I slap the wall. Off the throttle, kind of follow that around, get back in the throttle down the straightaway. Oh, great. It wasn't too big of a hit. I didn't get any X on that. Holding on second place in the high lane, but here comes number 8. He's going to take it down low and make the pass easy going down the backstretch. I'm riding the cushion. That's just the way it's going to stay. You know what time it is. Crank that knob to 11.
17.903. Bottom. 17.65. Got 20 laps to go this time by.
This is a 30-lap Enduro race. No yellow flags will be displayed today. Well, the leaders, cars number 1 and 8, have pulled away from me a little bit, and I had about a 1.5 second lead on the 4th place car number 9, but he's running the inside just about perfectly here, and he has really pulled up onto me. I'm just going to stay in that high line. If he gets by me, that's the way it is. But the high line's a safe line. If I'm down on the slick there, I'm not that good, and the rear end can come around in a hurry, you get behind on your steering. Ride that cushion and just keep the RPMs up. And now see the 9 there, he just got a little loose on the rear end. He maintained it pretty good, but I gained a couple car lengths on him. He's going to still work the slick on the inside. Looks like he's just going to kind of oversteer that one and understeer it, and then kind of the rear end wiggles. I gain another couple car lengths on him by running that cushion. He's going to try the inside one more time, and the rear end comes way around. He almost hits the wall. That's the dangers of running down on the slick. I mean, you've got to be a dirt master in order to hold that almost wide open and working the steering wheel hard. Up on the cushion, this is like highway cruising here. Pretty damn easy. Looks like one in the first place car and the second place car, they pulled away from me pretty healthily. They're kind of running the middle. Sometimes they're out on the slick, sometimes they're up on the cushion. Number 9 is going to take the inside lane one more time. That rear end comes around a little bit more, I think, than he wanted, and I gain another car length or two. He's come up from the wall, and now he's going to start riding the cushion. He's going to move it up to the high side. That's the safe place if you're not a dirt master. Now, once you get out in the lead, even if you've got somebody behind you that's pretty close to your skill level and lap times, you get up to that safe cushion there, even though they're running the inside slick. It's going to take them a while to catch up to you. Then if you have to, you can go back down to the slick. But anyway, I'm staying up high, riding that cushion all day long. Got a lap car number 10 up in front of me. He's blinking left and right, and he's using all of the racetrack. See if I can't negotiate him, get around him. Where'd he go? Where'd he go? Outside, inside, outside. Okay, got by him. You can see the 9 car in the rearview mirror there briefly. I've got about a second lead on him. Now he's going to have to deal with the 10 car, just as I did. Working lap 22. I'm solidly in third. Let's jump ahead to 3 laps to go.
18.3.
Still got a 1.3 lead on 4th place. Looking at my podium finish. Just keep it together for a few more laps. Ooh, we got one up high. That's that 10 car blinker. I get by him okay. But I get a little squirrely coming out of 4 there because I lifted too much. Still working that cushion just all race long. Safe and easy highway cruising. Not working the wheel too hard. Just want to have a good finish. I run so little dirt. It's been about 6 weeks since I've run dirt, as I focused on the asphalt series. All right, here we're coming down for the white flag. I get a little squirrely on that. 4 more corners. Now we're talking 3, and I'm going to come home with a very well-deserved and appreciated podium finish. Working number 3, coming out of 4. In front of me. Who's that? That's the number 8 car. That is the second place car. He spun out and missed the start-finish line by about 2 car lengths. I look up in the mirror to confirm that, and then plow right into the 6. Damn! I had a 0x race going, and then I glanced up in the mirror. I was shocked to see that number 8 car sideways. I came home second, guys. Well, boy, the old Texaco Havilland sure tore up. Wow, it's not even steering right. This thing is crab walking big time. Can't even hardly steer the thing down the straightaway. Well, that was an interesting turn of events there. Finished up with a 2nd place finish at Lanier in the dirt street stock. I had the 3rd firmly in hand, and then 2nd place car spun coming out of 4, hit the wall, and came to a complete stop, like literally 2 car lengths. Look at that thing crab walk. Came to stop 2 car lengths from the start-finish line. Wow, that kind of sucks. But hey, I'll take this 2nd position. This is a good finish for me in street stock, guys. Oh, the car is hurting. I can barely get her. Look at that dog tracking, crab walking. I can barely steer it down to the pits. Well, I tell you what, that was interesting. That was a lot of fun. I wish I was better at dirt, and if I ran it longer, I would be. But I just don't have the time to invest into it. All right, guys, thanks for coming along for the ride, and we'll see you next time.